I know you guys want to click off the video, your dopamine's pretty fried. Don't do that because I'm going to show you the exact steps to add $60,000 in extra revenue to your business just using ChatGPT. Okay. So, so today's video, we're going to be going over how to get clients using ChatGPT and AI. So if you're like a service-based business or if you have an online business, this is going to work for you. I'm going to also show you guys a case study with a client I have. He's a barbershop in Houston, Texas. He was getting around 200 to 300 visitors to his website. And in about a month and a half, we got him 10,000 visitors and he made $6,000 in 1 month and he only paid us $500. So that's kind of the power of getting ranked on ChatGPT. It's a lot easier than getting ranked on Google because it's super competitive. It's been around for like 20 years. Everybody's been pouring, tens to $100,000 into the SEO and getting ranked on there. But no one's really figured out how to rank on ChatGPT, except for a few guys like me and a few others. So if you want to capitalize on the AI search right now, you can email me or you can use my software in the link below. This is how I pretty much generated the money. Anyways, I'll show you guys the results real quick. I know you guys want to click off the video. Your dopamine's pretty fried. Don't do that because I'm going to show you the exact steps to add $60,000 in extra revenue to your business just using ChatGPT. Okay. So here's the results we got him. This is a barbershop, like I was saying one more time. So previously, he was getting 200 visitors to his website generally. And then this month, we onboarded him and he shot up to 10,000 visitors in about a month. And he generated $6,000 in that 1 month. So he made about 1,000% ROI. Pretty cool. Great numbers. That's going to be way better numbers than your ad spend. And plus, cool thing about this is that once you're ranked in ChatGPT, you'll be there for around 3 to 4 days, even without any other upkeep. So he'll probably make, $30,000 from just $500 of spend. But let's get into it. So the first step, what we did. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get a place for us to host our content. Okay. The way these AI models work and the way they cite you is that they read a bunch of content, they cite the content, and then they relay it to the searcher or the viewer. So we need a place to store this content. What we're going to want to do is get 5 to 10, okay, aged domains. So aged domains are domains that have already been used and have been expired and have already existing backlinks. Okay, that means they have high ranking authority and they have high trust in the Google algorithm. So that way, when we buy the domains and then publish our articles, okay, it's going to be seen and indexed by Google. Therefore, it's going to be indexed by other AI and chat models. Okay. So all you want to do is pick out the area or general niche of the brand or company or business that you have. For example, we did a barbershop, so I'll do barber blog. You can find a cheaper one. You want to do either .com or .org. All right. So we have a barber.org. Let's go to here. And this is a site to check if the domain is expired or if it has existing backlinks. And all of these links in the video, I'll be leaving in the description, okay? So you go here, you look up the domain. As you can see right here, there's no backlinks. And that's not what we want, okay? So we can just look up barber. Let's see if there's a better one. We either want a .com or .org, okay? So here's a few with backlinks right here. That's .enterprise. Oh, no, it's a .com. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this is interesting. This one has 2,000 and 2,690 backlinks. Okay. This is going to be a great site to, let's see, Barber Biz. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's $350. You want to keep the price. I mean, you could spend $350, but generally I tend to stay on the $10 to $20 because you can always get more pages. Let's look for a better one. Okay, so Barber, Arizona. Okay, that's $3,000. This. All right, cool. Here's a pretty decent one right here. It has 57 backlinks. Okay, there's a .com right here. We can go ahead and check if it has any history. Okay, yeah. So 57 backlinks and the .com and blog are also available. So you want to get the .com and .blog, and it's going to have 57 backlinks. That way it has high authority. Okay. And you want to get 5 to 10 of these. Okay. Get 5 to 10 that have backlinks and that are .com and org. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is money right here. Right here is the ChatGPT prompt that you're going to want to put into ChatGPT as with your URL as well. And this is going to be the prompt to generate. Oop. Okay, so now what we're going to do, once we have our domains already bought and registered, your URL with it, and the research on your site, that way it can generate the 100 blogs. And then you just want to post the blogs to the domains automatically. Okay. And then you want to index the blogs. Okay. That way it gets cited and indexed into Google. Okay. So next, after we posted the blog post to our domains, okay, we want to go to a PBM blast. So a PBM blast is basically just a personal blog network, and we're going to pretty much blast our content through the personal blog network. And what you want to do, you want to use a few URLs that you have from your site, put them in here, put the keywords, and then press purchase. And then all you have to do is just wait 2 weeks, guys. Wait 2 weeks, wait for the Google to index, wait for ChatGPT and other AI models to pick up your content, and then wait for the PBN and blog post to start picking up some traction and start gaining some credibility inside of ChatGPT. That's normally how long it takes for this AI model to start citing you and to start, recommending you to customers. Okay. And all right. So after so after you guys did all those steps, you're going to have 10 personal blog networks for your personal brand. Plus, you're going to have a external blog network already. Okay. Awesome. So once you guys did that, you guys are going to have a personal blog network reaching out to 10 different domains with 100 different articles out there that ChatGPT is going to cite. Also, you're going to have a PBM blast. So you're going to have a little extra boost, and you might not get results exactly like this, but you're going to make, an extra $1, $2, $3, $4, $5,000 a month just off of $200, $300, of spend. So that's pretty good ROI. If you guys want, some more content or for me to do this for you guys, then feel free to email me or use the software below. Okay. All right. Take care. Bye.